Hello, ladies and gentlemen, from Böda Sand, one of the most fantastic beaches in Sweden and in the world. But I cannot fully comply with that statement as it is cloudy right now and you can't see the full charm of this beach. So it is 23rd of June, second day of Midsummer, that we can see also from this Midsummer decoration fallen down on the beach. And before it was raised high yesterday for the Midsummer, the day before yesterday for Midsummer Eve, and also yesterday for the Midsummer Day. So yeah, it's very nice. I'm not really sure why they need to put it down, but yeah, Midsummer is over, or it's actually summer right now. And it is my day 2 here in Böda. I arrived yesterday, it was pouring rain, but I did manage to make a swim at the other part of the beach that's probably 2 kilometers from here, closer to Böda Camping. And here, right, this is Böda Sand, the main camping that is famous from a TV reality show. And it's more luxurious as such, with many activities. So yes, I'm in Böda, I'm on my vacation. So let's see which day it is today of my vacation. So I spent 2 nights in Kalmar, then 1 night in Färjestaden, and then 1 night here. So this is day 5, if I'm not completely mistaken right now. And we have 17 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's the same temperature in the water as well in the Baltic Sea. And there is one person swimming with a swimsuit on, wetsuit. There is nobody else taking a swim on the beach, so it is going to be me for sure. And I have passed by the camping, Böda Sand, and they have also one supermarket, Ikanera, that I have bought some things to eat later. So yeah, beach adventures with Chris in Ireland. So don't discourage yourself because of the clouds, because there's going to be some sun coming up later today, but also in the upcoming days. I see only sun on the forecast, and I really hope that it stays like that. So yes, then I'm going to start the day quite late today. It is 3 p.m. but hopefully there will be some sun in the horizon later to make me feel better. So, but yeah, still 17 degrees both in the air and in the sea. It's quite amazing. And this beach is huge. And if I continue in that direction, I will end in Böda Sand, that has also nudist beach as well. But it is empty today because of the obvious reasons of the weather. But I'm gonna check it out anyway to see if it is any different than this part of the beach here. So yes, Böda Sand, time for the first swim of today, the second here in Böda, but the first without any rain. Yesterday it was crazy, it was 13 degrees also, it was much colder than now. I didn't measure myself the temperature in the sea, but it was stated there at the camping because they're doing regular measures every day. Quite chilly here. It was a bit warmer in Kalmar, but here we are on the open sea. On that other end we can see the Baltic states. I think it is maybe Estonia or Latvia. I'm not really sure exactly right now. I need to check the map. But yeah, I'm the only one in the water without a swimsuit. I actually own a swimsuit, but I have bought it for that Olympic triathlon that I did last year. Ooh, I'm not really sure why it is so chilly. Yesterday it said it was 15 degrees in the sea. I don't really think that it's much 2 degrees warmer today, to be fair. So yes, Böda Sand Beach Adventures with Chris on this 23rd of June. This is how summer sometimes looks like in Sweden, but it's gonna be some more sun coming up in the upcoming days, and I'm here for 7 more days, so I'm gonna be enjoying a lot. Alright, let's take a swim in Böda Sand, Öland, Sweden! That was amazing. It's so nice and refreshing. I see people only with many clothes on them on the beach. I'm the only one with swimsuit. But yeah, I'm the chosen one to enjoy in the beautiful sea, irregardless of the weather. Alright, that's a wrap from Böda Sand, this magical place on Earth in Öland, the second largest island in Sweden. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!